Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. I've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA. You never see many in this colour combination. It's absolutely fantastic. Lovely metallic blue with a cream leather interior. It's got front park distance control, alloy wheels, paintwork is beautiful, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, bumper protector. It's a 200d. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Electric tailgate, absolutely fantastic inside. Lovely full, I don't know whether you call it cream or white interior, but it's absolutely stunning. Really is hard wearing. I wouldn't worry about it. If you're really looking for a dark colour, this cleans easy anyway. Absolutely stunning, as you can see. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's fully loaded inside as well, so let's just start the car up. Shut the door. Done 64,543 miles. It's got Bluetooth media pack. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera with park distance control, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control. So it's got absolutely everything. 6-speed gearbox. Little media's there. Auto headlights, climate control. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.